What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be exploring my room. So yeah, I have some scary news. California just got an earthquake, and I'm not lying. This is actually real. Where I was in class, and California, it got an earthquake, and then we had to hide under the desks. And it was so scary. Like, some kids were crying and stuff. It was real earthquake. The ground was shaking and stuff. I don't know what could have caused that, but yeah. A picture fell, and and these earthquakes just they're like not good. Or I was worried about family. So yeah, let's just focus on my room because I'll tell you about that later. Okay, so right here we have Deadpool, Wolverine. Here, pretty cool, right? I'm a big fan of them. So I have like a drawing of Deadpool, like right here, and we have these Lego sets here. Pretty cool. And I have my own TV in this picture. And I like the chargers too. And yeah. And let's check my closet. And then here we have like this basketball hoop. Let me put it right here. Kobe. So yeah. And we have this realistic Deadpool mask. It looks so good. Alright. Let's go with this. So we just got this realistic Deadpool mask. Look at that. That looks so cool. Let's wear it. Whoa. Looks pretty cool here. And then, yeah, pretty cool. It's good quality, but I just can't really see that well in here, so, yeah. And then we also, have this Batman mask. Let's go wear it. And pretty cool. And then we have this robot thingy. And we have this another Deadpool thing here. And we have a statue of my favorite players. So yeah, I'm done the video. But make sure to like and subscribe, hit the bell, and comment on this video. Bye.